Okay, so since it's been a pretty long time, a couple of days now, since I've done this, I'm gonna get back into it. So let's see where we left off. I already did radio buttons. Let's go to the next one. Where am I at? Checkboxes. You know what? Let me just do this instead of going through every single one. There we go. RGB values to color elements. Easy. Okay. So, body hex code, body element, RGB for black, which is 000. That's easy. Just replace 000. And I'm cooking dinner right now, by the way, too. So I have 7 minutes and 15 seconds left on my timer. This is probably going to be a short video, but I guess it should be about 20 minutes. I'm making wings, garlic parmesan, because there's no Buffalo Wild Wings here in Japan, and we miss it. So, place the color words in our style element with the correct order. Okay, so start from the top. Red is RGB 25500. Orchid. I'm actually just going to copy that. Work smarter, not harder, right? RGB, throw that in there. Sienna, smarter, not harder, but this is really difficult to highlight for some reason. Yep. And last but not least, blue. Responsive design with Bootstrap. Ooh, Bootstrap. Okay. Sweet. Already added Bootstrap. Yep. Get started. We should nest all of the HTML in a div with container fluid. So we'll start here. We'll go container tag fluid. Tab over. And select everything. Oh, I missed an H. Oops. H2. H2 class. There we go. Nested in a div. Mobile responses. First in the Bootstrap, this is image responsive. Hey, change. So image responsive was a class that was in Bootstrap 3, not Bootstrap 4. I know this because I just use Bootstrap 4 for my personal website, hagendev.com. Oh yeah. Image responsive. Okay, what do I need to do? Just add it to the image, huh? Okay. So source, where do I want to put this? Thick green border, and image tag responsive. Yeah, so in Bootstrap 4 now it's called image tag fluid, not image responsive. Where's my other, do I have another image? I have another image. First add a new, oh. That's what happens when I skip around. There we go. So add a new set below. Source attribute to, I guess we should make it a link. No, I don't want to make it a link. It just says image, so I'm just going to do that. And then, it looks like 3 cute cats. And we'll throw the class in here, and we'll call it image responsive. Boom. So, if I remember correctly, image responsive sets the sides to auto. No, height to auto? I shouldn't say that. Never mind. It's like width 100% and height auto, I think, is what it sets. So, you know, I'm going to check that. This is the old documentation, but applies max width 100% and height auto. Oh, and display block. Okay, there we go. Alright, cool. I feel better. Center text with Bootstrap. That's easy. It's called a text center. So we should do that. No, I'm making a video. wife is still getting used to doing this. Text enter to our H2 element. That's it. So I guess it is kind of weird. I'm just in the kitchen. Making dinner. Alexa, how much time do I have left?
You have 2 minutes and 40 seconds left on your 10-minute timer.
Okay, create a new button below your large kitten photo. So this is the large kitten photo. Button with a class of button, and we'll add text of like. There it is. You're making a video.
So you just ruined your video?
No, it's a screencast, so.
Yes, baby. Huh?
Create a block element, bootstrap button.
You all right?
As only as wide as the container they contain. Okay, so we want to add button block to that. Block. Add button primary class. Easy. Primary. Optimal. Huh? Yeah. We'll leave the house, what, around, I guess the appointment's at 9:30?
Mm-hmm.
Leave the house at like 8, I guess. What do you think?
Oh yeah, it's fine.
So earlier than that? I don't think it's going to take an hour and a half with traffic.
Yeah, it's fine.
And then if we get there early, we can just grab Starbucks or something before it opens at 6, so.
Yeah.
Below with like, below your like button with the text info. Yeah.
What is this for?
What's what for? Oh, hang on. I'm opening a video. Medicine. It's not cooperating with me.
Did you just cut it?
No, but it's squished it.
I got it.
Alexa, stop. Wait, let me do this real quick. Button, class, button, block. Okay, so when you want to add classes, you just put that period there, right? And then you separate the class by another period. And then you tab over. It's got the space, and then button block. Cool. So what is this supposed to say? Info. Oh, oops. And then button info. Okay, take a break. Bye-bye. Okay, back again. Create a button with the text deletes, and give it the class button danger. Just add that right below.
Yes, baby.
Boom.
You want milk?
Danger.
Give me a second, okay?
Oh. Delete. You gonna get it?
If you can, but if not, it's fine.
Yeah. Be right back. Elijah, where's your cup?
Beside you. Here. Never mind, I found it, baby.
Did he eat
Yeah.
a lot? You finished it? say? You're welcome.
Just like so warm.
Huh? Yeah. Okay. Bootstrap grid. Okay, so bootstrap grid's 12 column. Yep. So the order is container, row, and then the column itself. So we should row and then column XS4. That's just all of the buttons. So we'll do a class of row first. Column XS4, which will break it up into 3 different parts. Oops. 3 different columns. And we'll go ahead and make that a little more pretty. Let's see, 1, 2. I don't think that actually matters. Wait, what's going on with that div? This button. Oh, dang it. What the heck did I just do? That's really weird. Okay, there we go. That's better. Oh, each. Ah, dang it. You know what? That's upsetting. Okay. Let's just do that one over again. So each button has to be nested. That makes more sense in this. So we'll drop this down. Do another call XS4. Just gonna cut and paste. I like to organize a little bit. Wow. Okay, I guess I'm not gonna organize. Usually, what I like to do when I'm in my text editor is make a closing comment like that. But for this one, I guess I won't really care about it. Call XS4. It just lets me keep track of where all of my divs end and what they are. Becomes div soup if you're using Bootstrap. I guess that's the only downside. One of the downsides to using Bootstrap. See, div, 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 div. That should be it. So they're all broken up into 4 columns. 4 columns, 3 columns, because 4 times 3 is 12. Here we go. Custom CSS for Bootstrap. Delete red text, smaller image. Okay. So delete that, yep. Because it's talking about how Bootstrap has its own classes for styling. So delete the P element that contains a dead link. There's the P element that contains a dead link. I guess that's the hard part about taking a break and coming back to this. P element. Where's my P element? P. Where's the P element? Click here for cat photos. Contains a dead link. So delete that. Alright. Then remove H2 class. Remove red text from H2. Yep. Okay. And replace it with text primary. That'll change it blue. There we go. Finally, remove smaller image from your class. And replace it with image responsive class. Where is my smaller image? Oh, I deleted it. First image element. Smaller image. There we go. Good to go. Oh. What the heck? Delete the P element, remove. Oh, P, remove P class. There we go. No, image responsive to the top image. Where's you kidding me? There it is. Okay. There we go. That's better. Okay. I know what I'm doing, I swear. Spans for inline elements. Okay, so span is like a div, but it's inline. I think that's the difference. Is that the difference? Spans to create inline elements. Yeah, inline, and then a button block. So using a span element, you put several elements together. That's the word love, and your things cast love with a span, and then give that span text danger. So things cats love. Yes, I could have thrown the class in there. Oh well. Class equals text danger to make it red or yellow? Red, I'm assuming? Red. There we go. Custom heading. So that just talks about the different sizes for the grid system. There we go. XS means extra small. Okay, so nest your first image and your H2 element within a single row, and XS8 image in XS4. So the H2 element is going in XS8, and then your H2 is going in XS8, and image is going in XS4. So let's just do that really quick. We'll make the row here. I forgot I can't move it like that. Text editor, I'm able to just move the line up instead of copying and pasting. That's what I just tried to do there, but okay, so let's put this in a call XS8, H2 element in a call XS8, yep. And then this is driving me crazy the way that this looks. It's because the text editor is so small, so it wraps, and that's not fun. We'll make another call XS4, and then does it say the first image? Yeah, first image. So this way they'll all be in the same line. This is going to take up 8 columns, and this will take up 4. Yep, just like that. Pretty cool. These wings smell good. Font Awesome is a convenient library. Yep. Including this code on the top of your link, we've already added it behind the scenes. So the I element calls the Font Awesome icons. So add a thumbs up icon to your like button by giving it an I element with the class FA thumbs up. So where's my like? But this is where it gets messy, and I still don't like it. I guess I'll just throw it right there. I with a class of FA thumbs up. There we go, easy, thumbs up. So now we're doing it to the rest of them. So we want the circle icon for the info circle icon for info, and trash to delete. Let's just go and add those in there really quick. So I class, what was it? FA class FA info circle. Put that closing I in there. And then we'll do this one. I class. I forgot already. FA tech trash. Grab this. There we go, trash. Cool. Alexa, how much time do I have left?
You have 3 minutes and 20 seconds left on your 15-minute timer.
Okay. nest all your radio buttons within a row, and then each radio with excess 6. This is a pain. I guess it's just the 2. Let me separate that before I go crazy. So row, and then, oh hey, with Emmet you can do this, right? So if you do the greater than, less than sign, right, for the row, and then add another class like that, it'll nest it automatically. So check this out, excess 6, boom. See, so that way all you need to do is move it on up. Nest that properly. So this is my row. This is the column. Let's just throw another call SX6 in there. SX, XS. Do this. Close that up. Although I think it's just going to automatically format. Okay, cool. It'll automatically format. So we're just nesting everything, making everything responsive, basically. Now we're doing the checkboxes and then X4. Oh, I get to show you something else too. Wait a second, check this out. Okay, so see how there's three checkboxes that we need to nest, right? So all of them need to go in their own separate row. So we got that div class. Oh, oops. Nope, that's not what I wanted to show you. Okay, so you know how I did this before? Call XS 4. Well, you can do a little asterisk and then put however many you want. And so call XS4 times 3, right? That'll make 3 columns. Check that out. You can do that with everything too. At least for Emmet enabled things. So I'm not really going to care about the way that this looks because it automatically formats after it's submitted anyways. So that's fine. Usually I'll care about indentation like that. It drives me crazy. But for the sake of getting through this, I'm going to do one more. I have 55 seconds left on my thing. So style text input, this form controls actually. Yeah, it still looks good. Okay. Style text inputs is form controls. So you can add FA paper plane. Give your form text input field a class of form control. So text input field type radio. Let's just put this right after the name here. Class equals form control. Form submit button. The class is button and button primary. So drop down to here and throw this to give it the bootstrap stylings for the buttons. Let's see the way that looks. Good to go. Also give this button the font awesome. Okay, so we want to add another font awesome icon in here. So iClass FA, class FA paper plain. Throw this there. Alexa, stop. There we go. Submit with a little paper plane. What's going on with that? That's really weird. Let's see what's going on with that. So row checkbox, label, checkbox, label, checkbox. I wonder what that is. It's weird. Maybe it'll reset. Text input in your form. Yeah, I did that. I did that. Right? Where is it? Text input. Oh, input type text. Where did I put that then? I guess I didn't do that. Form control on the class. Form control class on there. So let me put that before the placeholder then. Class equals form control. There we go. Okay, now my food is burning, so I'm gonna go. See ya.